Next, let's look at solving equations with rational exponents. So we're given x to the 3 divided by 2 is equal to 216. So in order to get rid of this 3 divided by 2 power, we want to go ahead and take both sides and raise that to the 2/3. So this will give us x is equal to, and what this is looking like is going to be the cubed root of 216 raised to the second power, or x is equal to 6 squared, or x equals 36. So now that we have x is equal to 36, let's go ahead and plug that back into the original equation and make sure it makes sense. So 36 to the 3 halves is equal to 216, or the cubed root, or the square root of 36 to the 3rd power. And that's going to be equal to 216. So then we have 6 cubed is equal to 216, which is 216 is equal to 216. We can go ahead and check that one. And then let's go ahead and look at our second example here. So x plus 7 raised to the 2/5 is equal to 4. Again, we'll go ahead and take this one and raise it to the 5 halves on both sides. So this will leave us with x plus 7 is equal to the square root of 4 raised to the 5th power. So this is x plus 7 is equal to 2 to the 5th, or x plus 7 is equal to 32. And then go ahead and subtract your 7, or x is equal to 25. Finally, go ahead and plug that 25 back into the original equation and see if it makes sense. So this will give us a 25 plus 7 raised to the 2/5 and equal to 4. So this will be a 32 raised to the 2/5 equal 4, or the 5th root of 32 squared is equal to 4. So this really is just going to be equal to 4 is equal to 4, which makes sense, and we can go ahead and check that x is equal to 5 is one of our solutions.